A couple of days ago, the world of image editing got, well, bananaed. Google casually dropped Gemini Flash 2.5 image, or as I used to call my ex-boyfriend, Nano Banana. And apparently, it's so good people are already shorting Adobe stock because Photoshop suddenly looks like it got retired mid-coffee break. Forget memorizing toolbars older than your laptop. Now you just type a prompt, and Nano Banana makes the edits for you. Whole new backgrounds, quick touch-ups, complete transformations, all while keeping the image consistent. It's Photoshop without the endless tutorials, rage quits, and existential dread. For artists, animators, and designers, this could be a productivity jackpot. Want to take a weird piece of VR fan art and make it your own? Yeah, I know she probably has very strong opinions about AI-generated images, but not all of us are born with a God-given talent for beautifully animated characters. Some of us mere peasants have to resort to using AI as our canvas. And yes, full disclosure, I might be secretly fangirling over her work just a little. Okay, enough fangirling. Viora is kind of the inspiration behind this channel, and her art is amazing. Seriously, go check out her channel, support her, admire her, and maybe cry a little at how talented she is. Also, we're trying to get on that yacht party with her, so make sure you also subscribe if you know. Thanks, Google, for giving the rest of us a way to play in the sandbox too. Okay, quick detour. For those of you who watched my first video, I need to apologize for the audio fail between 121 and 240. If you turn the volume up, yeah, I'm really sorry. Your ears may have gotten a bit of an unexpected workout. The irony isn't lost on me. My first video tried to be slick and polished, and instead it ended up like Meta's live demo of their smart glasses.
All right.
We're ready for it.
Okay, now, I don't know about you. When I watch TV...
I accidentally exited. That's my fault. That's my fault.
Everyone's excited, and then boom. Total fail, but somehow memorable. So yeah, sorry about that. If your ears are still recovering, maybe take a banana break, or just enjoy the irony that we all survive these tech fails together. All right, back to Nano Banana. Flash 2.5 is basically Stable Diffusion's cooler cousin, the one that actually shows up to the family reunion and drinks all the punch. Today, we're checking what it can really do, and whether Adobe should start panicking. It's September 26th, 2025, and you're watching the Daily Drop on AI News Drop. So, what makes Nano Banana special? First off, it's fast and cheap, about 3.9 cents an image through the API. Rumor has it Google also has a Mega Banana, a bigger, better version locked away in the vault, right next to Google Glass, Stadia, and your old YouTube dislikes. Game developers, brace yourselves. This is basically a cheat code. Generate every animation pose for a character in minutes. Or better yet, have Gemini spit out an entire sprite sheet in one go. Just don't forget, Steam makes you disclose AI assets. And yes, Google embeds invisible watermarks in every image. Lying about it? Not an option. The big headline feature? Character consistency. Take a photo of your dog, your grandma, or your D&D character, and Nano Banana can remix it without destroying the original vibe. Or, if chaos is your vibe, fuse 10 random images into one gloriously horrifying creation. Truly, the future we all asked for. It doesn't stop there. Nano Banana can even interpret real-world locations. Point at a spot on a map and it'll show you what it might look like. Sketch a diagram and it fills in the details. Need text on your image? Ads, memes, inspirational quotes. Typography is surprisingly solid. But let's not crown it king just yet. It still messes up words, ignores prompts sometimes, and yes, humans generated with it have that weird AI face glow. I know, I just said humans generated with it have that weird AI face glow. You know the one I'm talking about. But this time, it actually cooked. Like, I'm talking 5-star banana flambe levels of detail. Just look at it. And of course, because it's Google, censorship reigns. NSFW images, forget it. The spiciest thing you'll generate is a half-peeled banana. So yeah, impressive? Absolutely. Flawless? Not even close. In other news, Google just dropped not 1, not 2, but 5 insane Gemini updates this week. First, AI agents can now handle payments. Google's new AP2 protocol lets AI shop for you, compare deals, and even complete purchases securely using digital mandates, backed by MasterCard, PayPal, Amex, and Coinbase. Imagine an AI that manages your subscriptions, office supplies, and renewals without asking you twice. Second, Gemini 2.5 DeepThink went full Olympic mode. At the World Finals of Competitive Programming, the so-called AI Olympics, Gemini solved 10 out of 12 problems in under 5 hours, including one brutal challenge that 139 human teams failed to crack. Yeah, AI just flexed harder than a banana in a gym selfie. Third, you can now share your Gemini assistants like Google Drive files. Before, your custom AI gems were locked to your account. Now you can distribute them across your whole team, set permissions, send links. Basically, it's enterprise-level sharing for brains made of code. Fourth, AI video with sound just hit YouTube Shorts for free. Type a prompt, get a clip with sound effects and even voice. Upload a still photo, Gemini will animate it. Your camera roll, auto-edit it into a draft video. And my favorite, speech to song. Take a random quote, remix it into a catchy tune. TikTok trends about to get wild. And fifth, Gemini is now inside Chrome. Highlight text on any page and boom, instant analysis or summaries. Research, competitor spying, even across tabs, Gemini keeps context of what you're actually doing. It's like your browser just grew a brain. Put all that together and what do you get? An AI that can think beyond humans, collaborate like a team, create content with sound, live inside your browser, and literally pay your bills. The future didn't knock on the door this week, it kicked it wide open. And remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm out, bye!